Flavors, work with me. This is like one of their best kept secrets. My name is Fafa and welcome to my creative African cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa. Now today I'm taking it straight to Senegal. Absolutely. Flavors, work with me. This is like one of their best kept secrets because I'm a great coffee drinker. So with this, I'm like, what? How did I miss this? I love it. Thank you, Senegal. What am I talking about? Cafe Touba. God, it sounds so cool, doesn't it? Cafe Touba. Oui. Let's start.
Now, Cafe Touba is a coffee beverage that is popular in both Senegal and Guinea-Bissau and is aptly named after the city of Touba, which is in Senegal. Now, the drink is usually flavored with spices, which includes grains of saline. I'd say in Ghana, it's locally known as wintia, or in the Wolof language, it's known as jar. I hope I've actually pronounced it correctly. If not, I stand corrected. Leave your comments below. And yeah, it's all about learning, I'm sure. Now, I do have my roasted coffee beans here, as you can see, and also Guinea peppers. I've got my grains of saline known as the wintia, some cloves. I've got my African nutmeg and an optional fresh ginger. Now, using my clay pot, I'm going to dry roast these ingredients. Now, bearing in mind, my coffee beans are already roasted. So, of course, what I'm trying to do is just release the oils. Now, traditionally, the coffee beans are roasted in an open fire or using coals. So that allows that smoky infusion into the coffee as well, which I think is great. So this clay pot allows me to mimic that flavor. Now, when it came to the traditional recipe, it's actually quite a guarded secret. It was difficult exploring it, but this is the closest I've come to it. So yeah, if anybody wants to actually contribute a bit more, why not? Definitely. So I've got my grains of saline. I'm adding my Guinea peppers. I've got the African nutmeg that's gone in there. And now I'm going to add my coffee beans. And as I said, I'm just going to dry roast this, just release the oils and to infuse that smokiness into this beauty. Once that is done, I'm going to blend it into a lovely powder form, and then I'm going to be infusing that and making my coffee as you do. You see it? I just love this, and I'll tell you what, all I was thinking of was when I was dry roasting is the smell. It's just intoxicating. All I could think of was the various ingredients that I could incorporate this flavor into and the new recipes I could create. It's just mind-blowing. It's something that you have to try to understand what I'm saying. Now, when you try it and you taste it, wow, you go see.
And trying to find the most authentic recipe was quite difficult because, it varied. But equally, I stuck to my guns because, once you want something, you have to push for it. You never stop until you get it. Do you know what I mean? Unless you don't want it that much. If you do want it that much, you do whatever it takes to get it. Yes. So did I do just that? Yay! Yeah. Can't wait to infuse this into some recipes. Be practicing in Yago. It's incredible.
So back to dry roasting my coffee. You can see the smokiness is coming through and you can see it's just changing color. It's looking darker and glossier because I can tell that the oils are being released. So I'm going to turn that heat off and cover this to trap that smokiness in there. I left that for about 5 minutes to allow that infusion to take place. And now I've got my coffee grinder here, which also works as my spice grinder. The previous one that I had actually broke because I had it for such a long time. So this is the new one I have now.
Now, if you haven't subscribed yet and you don't even know what you're waiting for, please click that subscribe button from you and the notification button, which means that each time I upload a video, it's delivered straight to your email address. You're notified of it first and foremost, which is so important that you don't miss a thing. You don't want to miss this. It's like flavor packed infusions. Anyway, let me go cook. Why?
So I think traditionally as well, one would use their mortar and pestle to grind this, which I think will be tedious. I mean, it's easier to just use your spice grinder or coffee grinder, as you can see here. And I've ended up with this beauty. At this point, the smell, seriously, when I tell you, it's just lovely. And look how rich and dark and beautiful it is. Now, the white speck you can see through there are the guinea peppers, and they add this sort of lovely taste to this.
The smell, is intoxicating. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's smoky, it's nutty, it's just good. Yes. The first time I tried it with my best friend. So of course I was like, what do you think? She was like, oh yeah, absolutely. I cannot wait to infuse this into various recipes. Hey, flavors.
Now, depending on how you make your coffee or whatever coffee equipment that you do have, you can boil the mixture in some hot water just to allow that infusion to come through so that, the spices and everything goes through the water. And depending on how strong you want your coffee, that depends on the amount of water you include. You can add your condensed milk to it because it gives it that lovely rich flavor as well, or you can enjoy it just the way it is. The choice is yours. But I'll tell you something, the flavor alone is just nice. I've got a little warm milk here and just to create that little foam and je ne sais quoi. But better still, I do have my coffee machine. So I placed everything in there, the ground bits in there, and it's just extracted this beauty and creaminess as you can see. First thing in the morning, that's like, yay. Now with the grains of salim and ham when I just laid there for that je ne sais quoi feeling. You gotta treat yourself like the king and the queen that you are. You work so hard. And here we have our Cafe Touba. What's the day? What's the day now, also?
Well, this is incredible. I mean, just on its own, rich and dark. It's complicated with this flavor. It's nutty, it's slightly smoky. It's got a slight bitterness. And then you've got this musky, sort of like the black peppercorn taste coming through, the cloves, the warmth. It's incredible. And then the African nutmeg gives it this after sweetness taste. Is just lovely. If you can enjoy it on its own, it's incredible. But equally, just add your milk to it. I like my coffee black, richer and darker. Yes, yes. Anyway, I don't even know why I'm laughing. Anyway, I was talking about the coffee. I must say, I don't even know why I'm laughing. Yeah. I can't stop. Okay, let me be serious, please. I don't even know why I'm laughing. Okay, so this okay. I love my coffee just the way it is, rich and dark and intense with flavor, and it's exactly what this presents me. Senegal, thank you very much, because this is incredible. I love that spiciness, the muskiness, that after bitter taste, that little sweetness. It's just like, it's complicated, but it just works so well. Now, if you're a great coffee drinker and you've not tried Cafe Touba, actually, you didn't miss. Now, if this is your first time, you're welcome. Thank you very much for taking the time out. And if you also have subscribed already and you're one of my loyal subscribers, hey, you and you, dear, the love is deep. Thank you for your support. Unconditional, of course, and I love you guys. You guys, you just help me grow each day, and I keep bringing you more and researching and finding out more. So I take my time, make sure I get you all the information that you require, and then cook it, and then make it, infuse it with the flavors. Not just say, you're the kings and queens that you are. Did I just try to rap? Maybe so. I don't know why I do this, but I do anyway. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, take care of you, be nice, be beautiful, and if you're ever going to change for yourself. Always be a better version of yourself each day. That's what the world needs, absolutely. And it's cheers from Fafa. Hey, hold on, hey, don't go. Have you even clicked the subscribe button? Please, click the subscribe button, the notification button. the notification button. Oh, this black coffee is just tongue twisting. Anyway, no. Don't even go yet. Yes, please click that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And the bell, which is the notification button, which means that each time I upload a video, you're notified of it, and especially comes through your email address. So it means that you can be in the comforts of your home and enjoy it as much as you want. Until next time.